Did you ever notice your cat making strange chattering sounds? It's not random. It's wild instinct in action. If you have a cat, you've probably heard those odd, rapid-fire chattering noises they make. But do you know why cats do this? When they spot prey like a bird outside the window, but can't actually hunt it, this triggers a mix of frustration and excitement. On one hand, they're dying to pounce. On the other, the sight of their prey makes their mouth water. This emotional overload leads to those strange, almost mechanical sounds. It's their primal instinct bursting out, even if they're just watching from the safety of your living room.